Okay, I'm back here at the range at Shooters Club over here in Metairie, Louisiana. About to get this Glock 19X MOS going. Got several different ammos. Got the blades, Blade 6 right here, G-Force blade. I'm gonna run that. Got all these mags. I'm gonna run all these Glock 19X mags. Make sure this thing is running properly and those mags work. So I got several different ammunitions here. I got 115 grain Monarch, and I got some Blazer 124 grain, and some Monarch 115 grain, and I got some Hornady Black Jack points. Going to run those, and then I got no 147 grain. I got some backup over here. Hit 115 grain Monarch like the side shooting. This is a 124 grain right here, laser. I'll run that in the G-Force blade. But yeah, man, we're gonna push this thing out. It'll start off real close, like around 10 yards, something like that, 10 feet, whatever, and then they got 15 right there, the wall right there. I mean, let's push out to 15 because I sighted on the optic. Just make sure none of this stuff flies off, like the optic and light and the thread protector. I got to make sure that stays tight. But I'll do some footage real quick and shoot a little bit, and then I'll see if you guys can catch some. All right, stand by. All right, guys, I'm back. Damn, I forgot the video, but I'm gonna show you the target though. It ran. I ran a couple bags already. I ran the 17 and one of the 19s, and it ran good. It ran good, no problems at all. I had to make an adjustment though. I can tell you one thing I don't like right now off top. The this blackout sight right here. I'm used to a like a tritium or an orange dot or something like that on all my pistols, and I was the dot. I was looking at it, but I think it still held zero, but I couldn't really. It was throwing me off a little bit, basically what I'm saying. So I think what I'm gonna do, I have to get used to that. I don't want to change that out. I do have another high sight, what do you call it, suppressor sight with a nice orange dot there, but I don't know if I want to do that. I want to probably learn how to shoot the dot, shoot with the dot, just going through there. So interesting to say. And this head protector keeps wanting to back out. So what do you guys think? Should I just take it off while I'm shooting it, or because it's definitely backing off every time you shoot it. But for the most part, it's running well. And I'm gonna show you the target right now, real quick. Yeah, I was at 20 yards, I guess, 20 feet. I don't know what they call it here. I think it's probably feet. But I killed it though. You can see right there. All solid. Got made a whole red. It's gone. I mean, that's good shooting right there. Right out the box. I had a couple when I first started. I was way down here because I couldn't see. You see right those right there. But then once I realized what I had to do, then I cleaned it up real good right there. So Lot 19X, man. Let me get back up in here. I forgot the video, man. Shit, that's too hard doing all that shit, man. Video and remember all that. So I'm just trying to have fun, but I'll push it back out to 20 again, and I don't know. That's a little further now, and then we'll go back at it. Stand by. Okay, I'm back. So what I did was, I ain't go by Academy. I was supposed to look at some more splatter targets. So I just took the little dots, kind of filled it in, so we can see the difference. Because I'm about to run these right here. About to run his Hornady Black. I think it's 124 grain. Yeah, about to run these, so I want to see what it looks like. I might go through some of the same holes though, because that's what happens a lot of times. So let me go ahead and push this out. Push that out. Okay. So situation. Yeah, let me see here. Yeah, you should be able to see that. Okay, so yeah, man, about to run this Hornady Black, 124 grain, and this is what the used mag that I bought. So I'm really curious to see how that mag works. I'm sure it will though. Woo! That's sweet, boy. I ain't never had that with a Glock dropping the slide on the right right side. Here we go. Wake that thing up. Where you at? Okay. All right. Ran the whole mag. Looking pretty good. Yes, sir. Looking pretty good. We're going to keep shooting, man. I'll get back to y'all in a second. I'll show you the target afterwards. Okay, now I'm reloaded. Yeah, I reloaded this all these mags back up. And this is all 115 grain Monarch. So let's see. Push this out a little further. I'll go for a headshot now. Let's see here. Got the Flush Mag 17 rounder. Woo! I love dropping that slide on that. Woo, man, nice. All right, ran the whole mag. Glock 19X MOS, man. So I can tell you right now, it's a very smooth shooting gun. That thread protector still wants to come off. Got to pay attention to that. I think it's going to take it off. But yeah, this is a very smooth shooting gun. My hands is kind of oily because I sprayed some gun butter, or not gun butter, but frog glue, right, before I shot. I got it on my hands, but man, it's running good. The light's staying on. The optic's not moving. It's holding zero pretty good. My glass is fogging up a little bit, but it's running good, man. So no complaints right now so far. 19X MOS, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, I'm back. Just letting y'all see. This is at 30 yards right here. It could be a little bit tighter, but you know, I think I'm pulling too much my trigger. Lefty. So that's at 30. I think these are somewhere at 25, 30. All this at 30. All this at 30. And that was the old ones. So I'm gonna get back at it, man. Let you guys see it a little later. 30, that ain't too bad, man. You know, for an old guy, that ain't too bad. Not too bad at all, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay. See if we can get these headshots in. Woo! It's running, man. This thing is running real good. Yes, sir. Make sure that thread protector don't come off. keep saying I'm gonna take it off, but I keep forgetting. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, I'm running through ammo right now. So I reloaded my last little bit of ammo. These each got 5 rounds in them each. They each got 5. I'm just gonna run these. I'm gonna run this a lot because this is gonna be the one that's gonna be in the primary, and then the extended ones will be backup. So I'm gonna make sure you're running that. But yeah, let's see. Let's run 5 more through here real quick. Then I'm gonna jump over to the G-Force Blade 6. Man, if anybody know about a O-ring for this thread protector until I get suppressed, or even when I do get suppressed, I still want to shoot this without it. That thing keeps wanting to back out. Ooh, drop that slide. Ooh, on the left hand side. Let's go for a headshot. Say, man, G19 running like a champ. All right, here we go, guys. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. You see, we looking like safety on. I hate this safety selector on here. I'm not used to that style. Okay, kind of low, 3 shots. All right. Bring it up a little bit. Safety off. Bullseye. Ooh, this motherfucker accurate as fuck. Let me show you. Golly, this thing is super accurate. So I was telling you, it's a full metal firearm, so you get no recoil. And that was the first 3 shots. And then this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a flyer. And that's at 20, 25 yards. Man, let's keep it right here. Let me show y'all the final result of this operation. We're going to stay right in that red zone. Oh, I got to bring this optic down. Hold on one second. Okay, we had that optic too high. But now, let's see now. There we go. We go to headshot. That's it. Woo, that boy's smoking. Yes, sir. Safety on. Man, this thing was tearing that thing up. Ooh, yeah, buddy. All that in the zone. All right, man. G-Force Blade, rocking and rolling. Man, let's have some more splatter targets because it kind of they're going right through the same hole in a few of them. But be back more in a minute. Oh man, it says I'm here. Let me run one of these Glock mags through here. That's what I like about the G-Force Blade. All right. Hold on 1 second. Oh, that had last hold, huh? There we go. Safety on. All right, here we go. This should have the last round bolt hole too. Let's go for a headshot. Damn, optic's still good. Damn. and his glasses are falling. Let's see here. All right, here we go. All right, should be ready to go now. Last round didn't hold open on that. It's weird. It holds open on the fun stick, but not on the factory one. I mean the 19X one. Let's see what's going on here. Looking good. All right, man. Now I'm going to shoot my EDC in a minute. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Everything's running good, man. Stay blessed. Now here's my EDC right here. Glock 19 Gen 3, 17 round mag, Monarch. So I'm gonna run this real quick and see how just basic functionality. A little extra, so see if everything's running well. Kind of flipped on me. Yeah, my hand got all that grease on it, but it ran. Looking good. All right, man. Talk to you guys later. All right, man. Here's my last mag for the EDC. I'm gonna show you the. I broke these things. Dude, look at this. I got it back in there, but broke right there. I'm going up top of the headshots on this, y'all see it. Another 17 round Glock mag. I mean, I'm so glad I bought this mag. I actually bought it but I was going to get the MOS 19X. The fact that these things fit up inside of there, snug as a bug, that's a good feeling. Shoot, real nice. You know what? I just thought. This 19X again. I already know this motherfucker runs good. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna first show you what the target look like. That was my EDC. Cause I had changed the target. And this was a little blade at like 30 yards. A lot of throughs though. A lot of shit went through there. So I was shooting the same shit. But that was just that 17 rounder. All headshot at 25. Y'all saying, why you shoot so far back? Well, I figured if I could shoot at 25, I'm good at 10. I know a lot of people train at 10, but I'm not trying to shoot. I'm not missing at 10. 10 and in, I mean, you just cancel whatever next holiday coming up. Fucking with me, I ain't missing that distance. Yeah, I'm gonna put this back up, put my EDC mag back in, holster that back up. Now I'll put them in the head before I get in the car. So let me run this Gen 3 17 round 9mm Glock factory mag. Drop that slide. Oh yeah. Push it out a little further. Okay, here we go. Grab protector. Yeah, man. Once again, Glock 19X MOS. It's running good. Nothing's flying off. Optic didn't get loose. Light didn't fly off. Red protector. Back out. At resolution. And don't say just take it off because I was saying it a long time ago. Other than that, that's the best thing, man. I want to show y'all something, man. I'm done shooting, but I noticed they had this Core Essential banner right here. I'm thinking like, damn, I'm waiting down here in Louisiana. Core out here marketing down here, man, at the Shooters Club, because they out of Santee, California. So I know all about them, and I got my Core belt on right now. You see it right there. You see it right there. Got my Core on right now. Yep. Great product, great belt, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Everybody stay blessed.